starts getting hard, look.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, boom, it solidifies. So you don't want that to happen while you're applying it, because it will mess up the job. You'll be applying it, and all of a sudden, it gets too hard too quick, and it will mess up the job. So if it's like that, yeah, it's a little bit too much, but then we're just gonna shave it off and shape it, and it will work fine.
Footsteps echo louder than the city beat. Do you hear it hum? The engines hum. A song for the reckless, a race to begin. Burnouts in Kyoto, spinning in the glow. Smoke rises higher, don't let it slow. We're chasing the night, the wild things go. Burnouts in Kyoto, we already know. 1,000 cranes folded, scattered in the breeze. Dreams lost in alleys, caught between the trees. The moon's a disco ball, shattered and bright. We live for the rush, the thrill of the flight. Burnouts in Kyoto, spinning in the glow. Smoke rises higher, don't let it slow. We're chasing the night.
Alrighty, so here we have gold leaf paper. Now, this is actually 24 karat gold, genuine 24 karat gold. It says right here, certified genuine gold. Now, I already did this one off the camera, so I don't look like an entire fool, but it's actually not that bad once you kind of get the hang of it. So I'm gonna show you the zoomed in version of me attempting this a second time, and hopefully it comes out as good as I want it to. All right, so this is the piece that we're working on here. I'm gonna grab this sheet of leaf here, kind of swing its way out. These things are super delicate. They break really easy. So boom, right there. Next thing we're gonna do is get some glue, right?